Morning.
What you doing?
I am acting like I know what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Just making the little adjustments to the carb. I don't know if something got loose or what's going on, and I don't really know what the problem is. I think it was like a few months before we bought it. The last owner got the carburetor replaced, the brand new one. So I don't know what the problem is. It's not an old carb. It does choke when you shut it off, and then it stalls. So the question is, should we take it straight to an auto mechanic, or should we just, ignore it and enjoy our day, since that's all we were doing yesterday?
We're heading to a mechanic shop in Venice, Florida. We kind of want to check out the beach and the area down here. So we're pretty close, so we just went down that way instead of going back up where we were yesterday.
I checked this in, but before we got here, I was kind of tweaking with it and making some adjustments. I don't know what I was doing, but I did tighten up like the hose lines and stuff, because like the little clamps are kind of loose on some of the hoses, so I tightened those up, and I don't know if that was a problem. Maybe air was getting into the carb or something. But when I shut it off just now, I thought it was going to roll over and choke.
Like it's been doing? Like
it's been doing all day yesterday, and didn't do that, so...
And then it started right back up, didn't it?
Yeah. The rotor, the spark plugs, and the distributor cap need to be changed. All the simple stuff. They were charging me about $300. Labor was about $160. $300 total, that's crazy. So I can do that stuff myself. At least it's nothing major, and I think what I did this morning to it, I think it did something. So hopefully it'll last till we get back home, and I'll get that stuff taken care of, and let's just enjoy the day.
An organic restaurant called Cafe Evergreen, and they have a juice bar, coffee, and then they also serve lunch and dinner. We got our coffee. We're ready to head to the beach. And so far this place looks pretty nice.
Yeah, it's pretty neat. So far, the best I've seen being in Florida. I just hope this beach isn't packed again. So reasons why it might not be as packed, well, it's a little smaller. All the young people are either in school or working, or actually most people are working because it's Monday. It's getting weird. And it's a Monday, and I think it's gonna be full of old people, which is awesome. That's my kind of deal right there.
That's for Venice. This is a cute little shopping area here, and a cute husband.
You better stop your attitude.
Beautiful.
This is very nice. The farther south you go, the better it is, I think, or along the shore.
Pretty.
I hope there's a parking spot. Please. Please.
The dreaded parking game now. And yeah. So we found some parking on the side street, not too far.
Not too far, I don't mind
About
a walk. It's a beautiful day for a little walk.
3-minute walk, so that's good.
Nothing compared to yesterday,
deal.
I'll tell you that.
We are A-okay with that.
Okay, let's go.
Yay! Woo. This is Venice Beach.
See, we go way out there. There's like nobody. Why am I whispering like it's a library? Liking this beach a lot better. I guess part of it is because everything's going a lot better than
Look at these waves.
It's a lot warmer today too. Oh man, that sun's up. Sun's a lot softer.
Ooh, that's cold. Oh, that's cold. The sand is a lot softer.
Yeah, I like it too. I like it.
Ooh.
That's cool.
Ooh, it's cold. Look at that. Ooh. It's brighter though. The water's brighter.
Yeah, it's a lot more clear.
Yeah. I like
The
it.
waves are a lot more powerful here, huh?
Yeah, they're a lot more powerful. There's my baby, looking sexy at the beach. This man just ran right in. He's not afraid of that cold water. Whew. It's a little cold. I gotta adjust to it.
This is something you don't see very often here in Florida, I guess. It's a couple parrots. Isn't that pretty cool?
These sidewalks here along this street have seashells in them. It's pretty cool.
So,
We
We
came here earlier.
decided to come back for dinner. Yeah, you are nice.
Like a lobster.
You feel like a lobster? Why? Yep.
Complimentary edamame for you.
And we just got a little complimentary something.
We're all sitting in these like conversations, and Joseph's just sitting there and like packing people with this thing, like,
How was it?
No, I wasn't even like that. I was like,
No,
yeah, so I guess
I'm
everybody.
like, we're outside.
Good?
Always. Always.
Perfect way to end a day. Perfect. Outside, listening to the fire cracking. It's beautiful.
That's quite the fire.
Thank you.
High five.
We ran out of marshmallows and Carrie's making a little invention there. As you can see, it looks like a marshmallow, but it's not.
It's actually a banana.
It's a banana. I'm just sitting back watching the show, seeing if it works out and seeing if she ends up liking it.
Let's see.
Alright.
Oh, it smells good. I feel like chocolate banana.
Banana s'mores. Without marshmallows.
It might be too hot for me.
Ah. What's it taste like? What's it taste like? You're making me nervous.
That's good.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to make me one then. But what's it taste like?
Chocolate. chocolate and banana.
Really?
And
Okay.
then we put a little bit of no peanut butter. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Good.
I like it. So this is round 2. We're gonna try to go to the beach. And hopefully it'll work out better than last time.
Yes, so they did the diagnosis and they didn't find much. They just said that the rotor and the spark plugs and the distributor cap need to be changed. And I think my face isn't showing on
The
it.
plan is to just drive around and go to the beach. We're gonna check out Venice Beach, and then from there, just enjoy the day. Hopefully the Jeep will be good.